Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. #free Nnamdi Kanu now.
In the land where the sun takes flight, we walk as children of the light. The earth beneath our sacred ground, a place where